Hey guys, welcome to Login Up. Today I'll be showing you how to write an essay on ChatGPT. And now let's start writing. Now to write an essay on ChatGPT, first we'll be required to log into our ChatGPT account. In order to do that, open up your preferred browser on your computer, and on the search bar, click over there and type in chat.openai.com like this and hit on enter, and you'll be directed to the login page of ChatGPT. But because I have saved my credentials on my PC, it's not asking me to log in. And after you log in, the interface will be similar to this, where in now after landing over here, in order to write an essay on the ChatGPT, you can see the empty box available over here. First we'll be required to enter the or give the topic to the ChatGPT, like, okay, ChatGPT, write an essay on why is Apple good for health. And after giving the topic, you will be required to give some facts. If you want to, you can do that by giving some commas, and like this you can see there is a comma separating value over here. And after that, let's type in include facts that Apple has very important vitamins. And with that being done, guys, this is our topic, and these are the facts we want the ChatGPT to include on our essay. And let's click on generate, or the airplane icon at the side over here. Let's click over there, and the ChatGPT will start to generate an essay on why Apple is good for health. And you can see, guys, ChatGPT has generated an awesome AI, and let's go through it. You can see the topic was on why is Apple good for health, and the facts where Apple has very important vitamins. And with that being said, guys, you can see after reading this essay, apples are a great source of nutrition, have many benefits overall health, which was the fact or the topic of our essay. And you can see the facts has important the facts that Apple has very important vitamins are contained over here. And the essay is conducted throughout these facts and the topic. And there, guys, this is how you write an essay on the ChatGPT AI. You can also do something else. You can also regenerate the response if you are not happy with the essay given by the ChatGPT, or you can just include some many facts so that ChatGPT can understand what you precisely want to be on your essay. With that being said, guys, this is how you write an essay with the ChatGPT AI. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.